All right, Jay, let's go. It's recording now.
All right, it's down in this corner, right in here, right in the corner right here.
Go from the top, because I can't see where I'm pointing the camera. All right, Jay, come point to it.
Like, oh shit. I knocked it.